Hello beautiful people, welcome to Delhi, which has a very spectacular monuments and a greater history. This is Ritika and today I am walking through forever young and trending lanes of Old Delhi. I am going to explore and shop in the oldest, busiest and most loved bazaars of not only Delhi but all of India. Our first stop is Chandni Chowk, which is 300 years old and one stop for all the things for a big fat Indian wedding. Shantanu, Manish, Sandeep, these are not just random names, these are the creators of every bride's dream lehenga. In Chandni Chowk, we could get gazillions of designer lehengas, especially celebrities' replicas, at a very reasonable price ranging from 2000 to 2 lakh rupees. So let's begin with the lehengas. Keeping lehengas on one hand, splendid jewelry made up of antique precious stones from a trusted source is always a good idea, and Chandni Chowk has it all. And I couldn't resist myself from eating this tandoori paratha, Delhi ka paratha. So it's very famous and tasty. Here comes the king of Delhi. I should definitely admit that these sherwanis give a royal look and couldn't resist myself to wear this groom's dress. I think both bride and groom's dress fit me well. So boys, stay tuned because these times I am going to make vlogs especially for you, trendy collections from ethnic even to the western wear. So stay tuned, and now I am going to take you to the next stop, that is none other than Chandni Chowk, which has its all trendy collections from different brands at a very reasonable price. So guys, stay tuned for my latest episodes of Delhi, of Chandni Chowk and Sarojini Nagar, which is one-stop location for all the trendy collections for college-going boys and girls, and not to miss especially Delhi street food. And now taking you to the Agra, which is 5 hours from Delhi, to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, that is none other than Taj Mahal, symbol of love. Taj Mahal is one of my favorite tourist destination to visit from a long time, and I finally made it and took beautiful pictures here. So anyone visited Delhi, then definitely should visit Taj Mahal. Now I am taking you to the Agra fort, which resembles the Mughal Emperor's dynasty. And from this beautiful monument, we could also see Taj Mahal at a greater distance. And whenever you visited Agra, then definitely you should visit this Meena Bazaar and get a beautiful saris made up of bamboo and neem leaves for your loved ones. And not to forget, there are lots of collections of leather boots at Sadar Bazaar and leather boot factories. So if you visited Agra, then definitely should get a good pair of leather boots for yourself. And last but not least, one should never miss the street food of Agra. It's really tasty. And that's it guys, this is a promo of my coming episodes of Delhi. I hope you liked my video, and make sure that you hit the like, share and subscribe button. So this encourages me to do more and more videos of this kind. And thank you so much for watching.